Hey everyone, this is Impact Financial, your channel about money and finance. I'm your host, Vinny Somra. This is another video about buying final expense burial insurance, funeral insurance. They all mean the same thing. And it's about people with diabetic complications, people that are overweight. We found through doing our own applications, testing out 5 different companies, that most of the companies will charge you a premium for these issues. Let's start with diabetes. You're under the age of 50, you started taking insulin. Some companies will ask you that question. It will affect your application, and Mutual of Omaha is one of them. Then you've got other companies that don't really care when you started taking insulin, but they will charge you a premium. When I say premium, basically they're going to charge you more money if you have diabetic complications. And two of the ones we found a solution to were neuropathy and retinopathy. So what are these? Neuropathy, retinopathy, it's basically nerve damage. The body, when you have diabetes, it's uncontrolled and you're unable to manage it well. The blood sugar being too high, and that spreads into your body and it goes into various parts. Your legs, that's neuropathy, and retinopathies in your eyes. These are two of the conditions we found a company called Royal Neighbors of America, which does not charge a premium for these two conditions. It's a standard pricing, which is awesome because it could save you 30, 40%, up to $500 a year. Being overweight. So it's a big issue across the country as well. And majority of the companies do charge a premium for this. Aetna and Royal Neighbors of America are two companies that do not charge a premium for being overweight, which is awesome. The other thing we saw is both of these companies have very easy applications. So you don't necessarily need an email or texting capabilities or even have your agent come to your home. We were able to do the application all over the phone and finish the application without any sort of tech savvy skills at all. People that are buying these types of plans usually a little bit older, so you may be old school and you may not have the tech savvy kind of skills that most people do. So that's very helpful. The other thing is there's free benefits. We found Royal Neighbors of America in particular, a company that's a mutual company. So they give back the benefits to the members. It's owned by the members, and so they're not looking to make a huge profit. Legal services, I think, was something that jumped out at us in terms of people that are buying these types of funeral insurance, burial insurance, a little bit older. And so they may not have a will set up, or because they can't afford it or whatever, an attorney charging you $300 to $500 just for one document. You can get these legal services for free with Royal Neighbors of America as a member. So setting up a will, estate planning, trust planning, power of attorney, which your health gets worse, it's going to be hard for you to make decisions on your own. You might want to have a power of attorney in place. Your affairs can be managed. That's a savings of $500 every single time you need an additional legal document. So that's very helpful. You've got scholarships for kids, grandkids, gym membership. You get all kinds of stuff free with Royal Neighbors of America, and we love free. That's part of our channel here. We want to help people across the country get a better handle on their financial life. The last thing, as a closing, both of these companies are very well known. They've been doing it for a long time. You may not know about Royal Neighbors of America, but Aetna is a very well-known brand. You probably have your health insurance or your Medicare with them. But both of these companies hold A1 AM Best ratings. So if you guys want to know more, please click the link in the description below where we do more of a deep dive and give you some more information. And if you enjoyed the video, please support our channel, subscribe, comment,